Comes to taking care of their hair, trust me, using nature is the best. Hi guys, this is day 8 of sharing 100 videos on YouTube. I'll be posting 100 days on YouTube for main reasons to grow my page and also to build consistency on this page. So today we are making onion juice treatment for the scalp. I'll be doing this for my scalp and then also for my sister's scalp. For both our hairs. So we'll use one bulb of onion and I added cayenne pepper. I also added onion powder and garlic powder. These are ingredients that contain high volume of sulfur, and if you know the importance of sulfur, you know that sulfur is able to strengthen and grow the hair, revive dormant hair follicles. So if you are someone who wants to grow a certain part of your hair, I would advise you use ingredients rich in sulfur, natural ingredients rich in sulfur. That is, you can use onion, garlic, cayenne pepper. Yes. So now let's get straight into the video. I'm using this on my sister's hair. My sister just I don't know why she stretched her hair, but she wanted to style her hair and didn't want to wash it. And I told her that let's do this onion juice before we style this hair, because you know you have severe scalp itchiness, and onion juice really reduces scalp itchiness, so that it's able to reduce the itchiness before your hairstyle begins. And she agreed, so that's how come her hair is in a stretch way. So we detangled the hair. We took down the stretch and then we started applying the onion juice. Mind you, that onion juice is a scalp treatment. When I say it's a scalp treatment, it means that when you're applying it on your hair, emphasis should be on the scalp. Like, it's a scalp treatment, so emphasis must be on the scalp so that it's more efficient and it works better. When emphasis is on the scalp, it makes it more efficient. Yes, so the nutrient in the onion juice is able to penetrate through the hair follicles, the scalp, through the scalp, and then feed the root of your hair very, very well. Trust me, if I need to do any treatment for my hair for the rest of my life, I always say it on this page that it will be onion juice, because onion juice, it is what saved my hair every blessed time. Onion juice and avocado, these are the two things I will never go and leave behind. I will always and always use these two ingredients on my hair. Yeah. So I took advantage of this opportunity to detangle my sister's hair, and my sister was asking me that why don't I use combs? I'm like, I don't. Sometimes combs are not entirely necessary when you are taking care of your hair. If you can use your fingers well, then you don't need a comb. Unless maybe you are dealing with your hair yourself and some things are there you cannot really access it with your fingers, and then that is when you use a comb. So I apply the onion juice on both the scalp and then the hair strands. I didn't leave the ends, though it's a scalp treatment. The hair also needs to feel good. Sometimes your hair will be feeling some way, so the hair also needs to feel good. That is why I also make sure that I apply some on the hair as well. So now, why am I doing this combination? Why am I mixing onion, garlic, cayenne pepper? Yes, why am I mixing these together for the hair? First of all, onion is able to heal the scalp. Yes, science has proved that onion is able to heal the skin. If you have any sore on your skin, when you put onion on it, it's able to heal it faster. Onion, yes. Garlic also does same, but just that garlic is a bit harsh, so it sort of makes it too painful. But onion, on the other hand, it's able to heal scalp inflammation very, very fast. So sometimes if I have any scalp inflammation on my scalp, onion is my best bet, so that it makes it efficient. It makes it, it soothes the scalp. You don't even realize that the pain is gone. Yeah, so I always recommend onion for anybody who is having scalp inflammation. Another thing is that onion contains sulfur. There are some products that are specifically called sulfur. They promote hair growth. So why won't you use the natural one? Onion can double your hair growth when used consistently and also at the right proportion and also the right way. Yes, onion can also thicken your hair. This is something I have tried and tested myself. Yes, onion can thicken your hair so much. You will be wondering, how did my hair get so thick, or how is my hair thick now? You will really, really be wondering how it happened this way. And onion can reduce hair breakage. If you are experiencing severe hair breakage, use onion on your hair because it's going to reduce the hair breakage significantly for you. Because of the nutrients in the juice, it feeds the follicles and strengthens the root of your hair. So, I mean, your hair is stronger than before. So, onion for onion, I always say that if there's only one thing I should use on my hair every day, it was going to be onion juice. That is onion, garlic, and cayenne pepper. Some people choose to add ginger juice, which is optional. For me, these three alone has done tremendous work for me. So I always and always choose it now. Now let's talk about garlic and then cayenne pepper. So cayenne pepper, on the other hand, it contains a nutrient called capsaicin, and this nutrient sort of activates the follicles, like make blood circulation on your scalp very very fast. Not just about the heat or the pepper aspect of it, it's really able to ginger the follicles to produce a lot of blood to your scalp. And you know that blood circulation is what improves hair growth, it promotes hair growth. So that is what the cayenne pepper does for the onion juice. That is what it does. But with the cayenne pepper, don't use too much because you may burn your scalp. I don't want you burning your scalp. You may burn your scalp in just trying to grow your hair. You may burn your scalp. Yeah. Because I wanted to use this juice for my sister and myself, I had to dilute it a bit, and it's still very potent. I diluted it a bit so that I'll be using it on myself. So you see another video of me using this on my hair, the same juice. I may blend another onion to make it a little more potent. But yeah, I diluted this one a bit so that some I can get the remaining to use on my hair. So after I applied it throughout the hair, I gave it a very good massage. I mean, trying to massage, improve the circulation, make sure that every part of the hair gets enough nutrients. Now, coming to the interesting part, this is where the magic happens. Steam the hair, because you want a vessel or a means for the nutrients in the onion to go into the hair follicles, and the best way to do is to use heat. Yes. And when you realize that after you use the heat, when you are taking the hair down, you notice that the onion juice, the quantity has reduced so much from the hair, meaning that the scalp has absorbed the water that was put on it. Yes, that is, I mean, the onion juice that was put on it. Yeah. So I steamed the hair for 15 minutes. My sister was on a call, so she kept on laughing and talking. When she's watching the video, she'll tell me that she wish she was not on the call. Anyway, so after 15 minutes, she shampooed, and this is hair conditioning her hair, and you see how soft her hair became. Guys, this is why I always recommend you use onion juice. It strengthens the hair a lot. This is a tried and tested recipe that works, has been working for centuries, and is still working now. I'll see you in my next video. This is day 8 of sharing 100 videos on YouTube until I get monetized. Yes, I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I've been playing hide and seek with it, so I'm not monetized. But this year, I am very, very serious about monetization. Yes. So after everything, I stretched my sister's hair. The next day, we styled it so she could wear it to church. The hair looked so healthy, like the hair was everything you wish for. I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel to show some support, and also to, I mean, give me some confidence, and let me know what you think about this video. Bye.